Do you suffer from acid reflux and heartburn? Do you love coffee, spicy, or fast food? Imagine if your body could speak after you devour a burger from McT or drench your macaroni with hot sauce. What would it say? Come on, have some mercy. Do we really have to suffer this burning just so you can enjoy your food? What does this mean? The types of food we eat are the main cause of acid reflux and indigestion. Yes, but there's another reason that many people don't know. What you're experiencing might be due to low stomach acid, not excess acid. Let me tell you the secret, the reasons behind it, and some natural remedies. Welcome to Bemeristan Channel, your health and beauty resort. Many people think their acid reflux and heartburn are due to excess stomach acid. But the truth is, that's not the case. The real reason is weakness in the lower esophageal sphincter, a ring-like muscle located at the top of your stomach and the bottom of your esophagus. It acts as a valve, preventing food and acid from flowing back into the esophagus. When stomach acid is low, this muscle doesn't respond well, allowing some acid to leak into the esophagus. That's what causes the burning sensation and discomfort. And the proof is that you feel pain in your throat or upper chest, not in your stomach itself. When your stomach acid is at healthy levels, it stimulates the sphincter to function properly, preventing any acid from refluxing into the esophagus. So the solution isn't to rely on antacids for life, unable to quit them. The right treatment? You need to restore your stomach acid to its natural level. So what causes low stomach acid? Junk food, the usual suspect. Processed foods with unknown additives and hydrogenated oils drain your stomach acid and disrupt its balance. We'll cover the roots and harms of these foods later in detail. Check out our episode on top foods. To help your body heal faster, avoid certain foods and increase others. Foods to avoid: fatty, fried, and fast foods. Carbonated drinks. Spicy foods, coffee on an empty stomach, dairy products in general. Foods to include: lean proteins like boiled or grilled chicken and fish. Avoid fried options, carbs like sweet potatoes and steamed rice, leafy greens and fermented foods like sauerkraut, zinc-rich foods for gut health, especially shellfish like oysters. Other causes of low stomach acid. Medications like painkillers, blood pressure meds, and antacids reduce stomach acid over time. Aging. As we get older, the stomach loses its ability to produce acid and would benefit from external support. Alcohol damages the stomach lining, liver, and gallbladder, causing fat buildup, literally destroys you. Stress weakens the nervous system, affecting involuntary muscles like the diaphragm, sphincter, and colon movement, impairing digestion. So it's beneficial to manage stress and learn how to control your reactions. So, what to do? Follow us and stay tuned to raise your health awareness for yourself and your family and learn about natural remedies. Today, we'll share natural drinks to boost stomach acid. But first, if you have a stomach ulcer, ulcerative colitis, or Crohn's disease, which causes ulcers in the small intestine, you need to treat those first. Symptoms of stomach ulcers: persistent nausea or vomiting, sharp abdominal pain, loss of appetite, in some cases, internal bleeding or coughing up blood. What should you do? Get checked by a doctor. Remember that ulcer symptoms differ from those of colitis or Crohn's. Do not take anything to increase stomach acid until the ulcer is treated. Our previous episode covered natural treatments for stomach ulcers. So for low stomach acid, how do we boost it? With specific types of vinegar and natural drinks, best types of vinegar rank surprisingly. Balsamic vinegar, rich in antioxidants and polyphenols and aids digestion. Pomegranate vinegar, great for digestive health. Date vinegar, high in antioxidants, improves digestion. Apple cider vinegar, the most popular. How to use: choose one type, add it to salads, or dilute half a teaspoon in a cup of water every 2 to 3 days to avoid too much acidification. Drink it at the start of your meal, and use a straw to protect your teeth from coloring. Important warnings: never consume vinegar on an empty stomach or undiluted. Balsamic and apple cider vinegar can lower cholesterol and blood sugar, which benefits diabetics and those with high cholesterol. But if you're on insulin, monitor your blood sugar closely and adjust your insulin dose as needed. If you're taking diuretics or blood thinners, vinegar might affect potassium levels, so you should consult your doctor first. Healthy drinks for digestive health. Lemon juice with ginger, mint, Cucumber and honey. Juice 1 lemon, add 2 ginger slices, a few mint leaves, peel and chop a small cucumber, add a cup of water, a tablespoon of honey, blend and enjoy. Lemon water with honey. Squeeze a lemon into warm water, sweeten with honey. Ginger tea. Ginger stimulates digestion and promotes healthy stomach acid levels. With balanced stomach acid, your digestion improves and discomfort fades away. And that's a wrap for today's episode. We wish you better health and a happier life. Thank you for liking and sharing this valuable info. Tell us your thoughts and what natural